How's your day going? Is it beautiful? Like you? Yeah? So beautiful. Come on. Where's Mavi? You got your whoopee? Wow. He's so cute. Can I see him? Whoa. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Maverick.
Just got back from a very much needed just me day. I haven't done this in so long. It felt so, what's the word? Like luxurious? I felt like I spoiled myself, honestly. Barnes & Noble's, Sephora, and Whole Foods. Like if I would have gone to Home Goods and Lululemon, it would have been top tier. I'm gonna show you what I got. I did a ridiculous grocery run from Whole Foods. I only go there a few times a year, and when I'm there, it's like because I haven't seen what's out, I spend a ridiculous amount of money. But I also was able to get some pantry items that we needed to restock because I do like to buy quality olive oils and that sort of stuff. So
Yes, and I got you some supplements. Some supplements for your joints and your hairs and your toes and your nose. You're so cute. Yes, Bear.
all right, so let's unpack because I have a lot of stuff. I also treated myself to some flowers because Miley said we should. Love ranunculus. I had that in my wedding bouquet.
And I can hold my hand.
Just going to measure here for height. This might be too tall. Let's see, hold on. Shoot. I really wanted to use that vase. All right, needed a vase switch up because the other one was too tall. This'll work. I don't want to cut too much, actually. A little, just a little. Trick to a good grocery store flower arrangement is to buy some individual stems, some greens, and rearrange them really well, individually. Put the flowers in the vase individually. This might be like the most ridiculous Whole Foods haul ever, but we were out of pretty much everything when we got back from Sugarloaf. I just got basics for the week, and so I needed to restock on a lot of essentials and pantry items. So they were doing a really great deal on sockeye salmon this week, so I have that. They also had ground turkey on sale, and it's all organic or wild caught. Bagged kale, spinach, spring mix, some apples, kiwi. These dates look incredible. They're humongous. So I'm gonna do almond butter stuffed dates, and then I melt Lily's chocolate, stevia chocolate, dip them, sea salt, and put them in the fridge. They're so good. Bananas, which were like 50 cents a bushel or 50 cents a pound. Some Italian kale, Brussels, strawberries, blackberries, and blueberries. fingerling potatoes, some golden yams. I also bought Japanese sweet potatoes, American cheese. They had this in-store rosemary ham that sounded really yummy, and it doesn't have like any dextrose or any of that crap, which I'm excited about. This is like the only place I can find the big stevia drops. This lasts me for a couple months, so it's a good deal. My nut pods, never tried this flavor, so I was really excited. And then I put pure cranberry juice in some of my shakes on my gut protocol. Some ghee. This is my favorite brand. I love this kava lemon herb tahini for like Buddha bowls, just to put over vegetables. It's really yummy. Some sourdough. I've been trying to order this Four Sigmatic Focus Blend. Me and Kyle love this in our coffees, and they had it at Whole Foods, so I picked it up there. Some Greek yogurt, goat cheese for salads. We did some brown eggs this week. I got 2 bags of coffee for Kyle. One is the Pleasant Morning Buzz, and then, oh, I thought they were both organic. They're not. I try to buy organic coffee, but now I know I have to get the Pacific Rim. Then kind of pantry stuff, crunchy peanut butter, almond butter. I'm not doing coffee right now on my gut protocol, so I have to have alternatives, and these Tocinos are so yummy. I haven't tried this flavor. I have the dark roast and the, I've had the dandelion caramel nut. This one though, I haven't tried yet. I have been really wanting some flaked sea salt, so I got that. And this was actually only like a couple bucks. And then a smoked sea salt. I was influenced by Maggie McDonald. She had this in her video a few days ago. Grazza olive oil. I just like that you can, I mean, I have an olive oil dispenser, but there's just something fun about that. And then I need to stock up on our big olive oil to fill our decanter with. And then because I can't have coffee, I saw, what brand was it? Shoot, Republic of Teas had these little individual golden milk lattes, but it was like 20 bucks. This, I believe, was $9.99, and it has less carbs and sugar, and it's just turmeric and maca, goji, cinnamon, ginger root, like more ingredients, like healthy anti-inflammatory ingredients than the other one, and it was less expensive. So I'm gonna make golden milk lattes with that. Love the keto Birch Benders pancake mix. I needed some organic cocoa powder, and then we have some dried mango. I love peanut M&Ms, so when I saw these, they're a new product from them, I had to try. And then some carob chips, which I love, and my toothpaste. This is my favorite. It is anti-plaque whitening fluoride free, and I think it works really well. So that was my whole haul. I need to quickly put all of this away, get the fridge organized, because we are going out to dinner with Kyle's parents. I also got a ton of green beans, because I eat green beans every night. I love them. Talk to myself, hours. Happy Sunday. I didn't film the rest of the evening. We went out with Kyle's parents and I was just being present, but it is Sunday now. I've been up for a while just reading. We were going to yoga this morning and then out for breakfast, so getting a walk in right now. I have just been so enjoying our weekends. They're just so much more intentional than they used to be, and I don't know if it's because I have less of like time, you know, with my new job. The blush is really bright. I need to blend it out. Yeah, I just feel like I'm taking so much better care of myself. Okay, it's windy. We're gonna go. No better feeling than hair wash day, full skincare, getting the house clean. I love a good Sunday. So I always clean my bathroom on Sundays because over the course of the week, it just gets atrocious. I use Branch Basics for everything. And then I'm also changing out my curtain, my shower curtain. So the plastics that most shower curtains are made of off-gas toxic fumes, and they are super prone to mold. And I'm trying my best to negate any possible like endocrine disruptors in our home. This is a Piva shower liner. It is a odorless, easy cleaning, metal grommet, water resistant, and they're just less off-gassing than traditional liners. And then I also have a new, well, actually I've had this for like 2 years. I've just never used it. So I'm going to take my old one off and wash it and put this one up. I've been meaning to change out the tension rod to a brass tension rod, and last year I was going to get a new shower head that was brass as well. And Kyle ended up buying this one. It's a really nice shower head. I wanted brass, but we have chrome. It's okay. But I still want to change this out, put it up higher. You won't even see the shower head. I want to do a couple updates in this bathroom before we ever renovate it, just to kind of make it a little bit more to my liking for now. But maybe we can do that this week. Getting a little jump start on spring cleaning this weekend. I stopped at TJ Maxx and grabbed a bunch of storage containers because I've been dying to do the bathroom in the the closet in the guest bathroom. So I didn't really pre-plan this, which is unlike me. I just kind of grabbed things that I thought we needed, and we're gonna give it a shot. This is what we're working with here. Oh, man. I'm just gonna take everything out and see where we go. Just did a little mock layout to see how this is gonna turn out. I think the goal would be to keep towels in here because our linen closet is getting very full. So this is what we are working with so far.